Hello dear students. In this video we are going to discuss why does carbon form covalent molecules. Now, in order to understand whether any atoms or elements form a covalent bond or ionic bond, we must have a good idea regarding its electronic configuration. First, take the atomic number of carbon. We know that atomic number of carbon atom is 6. Hence, its electronic configuration become is 2 and 4. That is 2 electron in K cell and 4 electron in L cell. This represent it has 4 valence electron. The electron present in the outermost cell is called as valence electron. 4 valence electron in its outermost cell. So in order to complete or in order to have stable electronic configuration, like noble gas, carbon need to acquire 4 electrons. Why 4 electron? Because by gaining 4 electron, it has already 4 electron in its outermost cell, and by gaining 4 more electron और 4 और इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करेगा तो कार्बन के पास टोटल आउटर वैलेंस में 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन हो जाएंगे. लाइक नियॉन ऑल्सो एज ए 8 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो वो नियॉन करने के लिए उसको 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन बाहर से लेने पड़ेंगे, एंड बाय गेनिंग 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इज एक्वायर्ड नेगेटिव चार्ज. Carbon need to acquire 4 electrons. By doing this, it completes its octet like neon, but it's difficult for 6 proton to control 10 electron. Why 6 proton? Because carbon has an atomic number 6, means number of proton is equal to 6 and electrons are also 6. But as we told that it acquired 4 electron from outside, then 6 plus 4 तो total कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन हो जाएंगे? 10. So proton 6 ही रह जाएंगे और इलेक्ट्रॉन 10 हो जाएंगे, और it is very difficult to control for any atoms to control more number of electrons than protons. That is, it is difficult for carbon to acquire 4 negative electrons. On the other side, if carbon can donate its 4 electron, four valence electron, it attains the stability like helium. Helium has only 2 electron of K cell, और कार्बन के पास 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन थे. वो अपने चारों 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन एनर्जी लेके किसी को डोनेट कर देता तो 4 प्लस चार्ज आ जाता, और कार्बन के पास से 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन कम हो जाएंगे. तो इसका मतलब कितने रह गए इसके पास? प्रोटॉन तो 6 है एटॉमिक नंबर 6 के वजह से, बट इलेक्ट्रॉन 4 डोनेट करने के बाद 6 - 4 यानी 2 ही इलेक्ट्रॉन रह जाते लाइक हीलियम. like helium. But in order to donate these 4 electrons, very large amount of energy is required. Energy is required to release these 4 electrons. Hence, it is difficult for carbon to gain 4 electron or donate 4 electron. Or donate 4 electron. In order to solve this difficulty, carbon will share its valence electron with other atoms and complete its octet. And due to this, it is called as covalent compound because it shares its valence electron. As carbon shares its valence electron, it's called as covalent compound. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe the channels and share this video with your friends and colleagues. For the next video, please stay tuned and please press the bell icon to get the latest video of the channel. Bye.